Let's spin up the Quizatron.
Quizatron 9000.
So first we'll go through the questions and then we'll talk about the solutions in the solution video. Question 1. A user is a node, true or false? Question 2. What module will allow you to add user types in Drupal 8? A. User. B. Profile. C. Profile to. Or D. Views. Question 3. How can you assign a permission to a user? Check all that apply. A. Go to the user edit page and add the permission there. B. Create a new permission and assign it to a user. C. Create a role, assign a permission to that role, and then assign a user to that role. And D. Add a permission to the authenticated user role. Question 4. When you add a field to the user entity, which users does it affect? A. All authenticated users. B. Users that have a particular role. C. Users of a certain user type. D. Users who appreciate broad, open spaces. And question 5. What steps do you need to take to allow a user to edit just their own content? Check all that apply. A. Give a user the administrator role. B. Give a user permission to edit their own content. C. Assign a user as the author of content that they should be able to edit. D. Use masquerade to log in as the user.